Staff.
Staff Sergeant Johnny.
Yeah.
You are already on record for an answer given. Okay, so let's make progress.
But that's why I said, let me think over. Since I recorded.
You are not
Okay. Okay. Now I have. Yes, I recorded a statement of the.
So you are changing your
not changing. Answer. That is why I said, let me think over.
Changing now your first answer.
I recorded his statement.
Okay, so now, when was the first time you saw the 18th accused after the incident of the 26th November 2023? When was the first time you saw him?
My Lord, the first time I saw the accused person was when I was tasked to go to the cell to identify him.
To go to the cell? Which cell you're talking about?
The CID, at CID headquarters.
That was when? Can you tell the month?
I could not recall the date, but it was during this investigation, my Lord.
So you're saying you had seen him before you obtained Exhibit AA Y1 to 4 from him?
Yes, my Lord. The first time, as I said, was when I was tasked to go and identify whether he was in cell. And after that, he later went and made his statement.
Yes. Now, for exhibits AA Y1 to 4, I'll be correct to say throughout obtaining the said exhibit from the 18th accused, no witness signed the said exhibit, correct? And Malad, with your leave, may exhibits AA Y1 to 4 be shown to the witness. No witness signed said exhibit, correct?
Yes, my Lord.
Okay.
I signed as a witness. There was no third party witness.
Okay. Now, the 18th accused now, you were not the one who obtained exhibits AA Y1 to 4 from him. What have you got to say?
I don't know what he means by that, or why he wants to deny that.
Yes.
Because I obtained the statement, he signed his statement. If I was not the one, why should I sign and he sign?
Now, at the time exhibit AAY 1 to 4 was obtained from the 18th accused, I'll be correct to say there was present no legal representation. There was present, yes, no legal representation for him, correct?
He was asked, it was...
Was there present any legal representation for him?
No, my Lord. He was given the opportunity, but
have already answered the question.
Yeah, but he was given the opportunity. He did not request for any.
Sergeant Johnny, listen to the question. Staff Sergeant. Now, you have been an investigator for 10 years, correct? Over 10 years or 10?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, 10 years. It means that by all stretch of imagination, you are an experienced investigator, correct?
Yes, my lord.
Now, as an investigator, you need to conduct your investigation fairly for both sides. Is that the case? Is that so?
Yes, my lord.
And then you have to investigate the accused persons or the suspect's own side of the story, correct?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, on the date in question, the 7th day of December 2023, did you obtain any other statement from other accused persons other than the 18th accused?
My lord, I could not recall because
I cannot recall. Now, the 18th accused person is deployed at the Teco barracks, correct?
yes, my lord.
Now, throughout your investigation, did you have or did you visit at any point in time the said Teco barracks?
My lord, the team boss investigators were dispatched to go to.
Were you with them?
I was not among.
You are
My
not
lord.
part of them.
I was not part of them.
I cannot tell whether or not they went there. Now, throughout your interaction with the 18th accused, will I be correct to say visibly or physically he was challenged with some health condition? He suffered from some health condition during the... No, I'm not adding, my lord. Yes, throughout your interaction with the 18th accused, I'll be correct to say that he was suffering from some health condition.
And I think that line of questioning it's not fit and proper for the witness. It's not a medical.
My lord,
Yes.
the accused person during his statement
Yeah.
said he was challenged with some illness, which I cannot say since I am not a medical person. But he was able, fit to make his statement, which he did.
What type of illness did he complain of?
He was saying about epilepsy.
Yes. So, since you have said you're not a medical expert, did you have any reason to make a referral or refer the accused person for a medical examination?
He did not complain unwell. He was just explaining his condition.
Now, let me just take you to page 2 of exhibit AA 1 to 4. Is it with you? The second paragraph, the 7th line of the second paragraph. Yes, can you please just read from the sentence starting with "as a result of"?
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Or just start from "I'm presently sick."
Okay.
Go into yes.
I am presently sick, suffering from epilepsy. As a result of the sickness, I was boarded from the army in September 2023.
Yes, go ahead.
Whilst in McKinney, Teko Barracks, I was called upon by my bosses at COUP Community Headquarters in Freetown for the processing of my retirement document in November 2023. Having completed my documentation, I was attacked by the epilepsy fit when I was taken to the 34 Community Hospital for medical treatment. Continue?
Yes, yes.
I was admitted at the hospital for 2 weeks and later I was discharged.
Okay. Yes, the bit of where the accused said he was called upon by his bosses to report or to come to Freetown, and having completed his documentation, he was attacked by the said medical condition and admitted to hospital for 2 weeks. Did you investigate that bit?
His admission, my lord?
Yes, yes.
That was not part of the investigation, my lord.
Okay. Yes. Now, so throughout obtaining exhibit AAY 1 to 4, a minute, my lord. Okay, now let me just take you to the next exhibit, which is exhibit AAZ. Yes, AAZ 1 to 5. Yes. Now, are you with Exhibit AA Z1
Z 1 to 5. Yes, my lord.
Yes. Now, did you interview witnesses on behalf of the 18th accused person?
My lord, I don't understand why it.
Did you interview any witness on behalf of the 18th accused? Okay. Now, during the course of obtaining exhibits AAZ, during the course of obtaining exhibit AAZ, the accused person told you that he was in present in Freetown the 26th of November 2023, correct?
Yes. That's what he said.
Yes. Now, and further, he told you that ever since he was posted at the Teco barracks, he only would leave the said Teco barracks to Freetown on instructions of higher authorities, correct?
Yes, that was what he said.
Now take a look at the said exhibits AAZ in front of you. I'll be correct to say again that exhibit was not signed by any witness.
Yes, my lord.
That's so.
Yes, my lord.
Now, during the course of obtaining exhibits AAZ from the 18th accused, take a look at page 4. Page 4 of the said exhibit. Now at page 4, okay, let me just first take you to page 3, the last question on page 3. Yes. Look at page 3, the last question. Can you just read the question and the answer on that page? The last question, I mean.
Page 3. In question, I am putting it to you that you were among those attackers that attacked Wilberforce Military Armory Store, Cochrane Military Headquarters, Moreton Military Barracks, and killed military officers in the process of the attack. What do you have to say about that? Answer: it is not true. I have never engaged into any attack. I was in my barracks in Teco, and there are people that can attest to that. Since I left Freetown sometime mid-November to McKinney, I have never gone anywhere.
Yes, so they told you that there are people who can attest to that fact, that was not in Freetown, right?
Yes, my lord.
Now, during the course of obtaining this said exhibit and putting this question to the 18th accused, did you confront him with any exhibits to show that he was part of the assailants who had attacked various military establishments and killed military personnel?
My Lord, during the course of recording his statement, there was no evidence available to challenge him with, but as the investigation proceeded, there was the accused person was found in a group photo with other coup plotters that went to.
I am confining you to the day, the 26th of November. Listen to the question. The 26th of November, when the assailants came to and attacked various establishments, were there any exhibits in relation to the date in question that was confronted with the 18th accused to suggest that in fact they came and attacked on that 26th and eventually killed military personnel?
My Lord, as I said, during the recording of his statement, these evidences were not available. We only got them after he has made his statement.
Okay, so he was not confronted at that time?
No, my Lord.
Now, okay, my Lord, with respect to the 18th, my Lord, that will be all for this witness. My Lord, apologies. My colleague was going to take over the other file, but since he's not around, I will do so, my Lord. In respect of the 26th accused, Mr. Dauda. I'm just bringing it to your attention, my Lord, because I just have to find the file. Kindly, my Lord. In respect of the 18th, done, my Lord. My Lord, I'm not done yet. I'm sorting out the file, my Lord, please. Yes, now you took statements from the 26th accused person, correct?
Yes, my Lord. I did a record of interview with the 26th accused person.
Yes. By record of interview, you mean exhibits ABB 1 to 6, correct? Yes. My Lord, with your leave, may exhibits ABB 1 to 6 be shown to the
Yes, my lord, correct.
You obtained that exhibit. Now, you will agree with me that as a recorder, you're supposed to sign at the end of every statement recorded by you, correct?
My lord, I was not the recorder, I was the interviewer. Rasco Bangwa was the recorder.
As an interviewer,
Yes, my
you're
lord.
supposed to sign at the end of the said interview, correct?
Yes, my lord.
By signing that exhibit or record of interview, in fact, will determine its authenticity, correct? That in fact you interviewed that person.
No, my lord. That alone does not mean the statement is not valid. Since the accused person signed, a witness has signed, it can be rendered valid, my lord.
Yes, and you will agree with me, there is a whole provision in the said exhibit for you to sign.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Now you're saying that alone will not determine the authenticity, but you'll agree with me that it is very key, very important.
Yes, my lord, I'm not disputing that fact.
Yes. Now, take a look at the said exhibit. Go out from page 2 to 5 or so. ABB 1 to 6 is the exhibit, and I'm now referring him to pages 2, 3, 4, and 5, my lord. Correct to say they were not signed.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Now, the 26th accused, I'll be correct to say, was on duty on the 26th of November 2023, correct?
Yes, my lord.
And he was on duty at his area of deployment, right?
Yes, my lord.
Now, being a military man and an investigator for about 10 years or so, I'll be correct to say you know a gunpowder, correct?
Repeat again, my lord. You know.
Being a military man,
Yes, my lord.
an experienced investigator, I'll be correct to say you know what gunpowder means.
Yes, my lord.
You know gunpowder. Now, is it part of a live round?
Yes, my lord. It is That is the component that make the live rounds.
Now, at the time exhibits AAB 1 to 6 was obtained from the 26 accused, I'll be correct to say he had no legal representation, correct?
Yes, my lord. He was given the opportunity, but he never requested for any.
Now,
Page 5.
yes.
Second question.
Yes, can you please read the question and the answer given to that question?
Question. We are putting it to you that the phone you claim to have found on the ground was the phone owned by one of the assailants that attacked JLU, and you took it to destroy evidence. What have you got to say? Answer. I have no idea about that.
I have no idea about that. Now, at the time you put this question to the 26th accused, did you confront him with any evidence that the phone he had picked from the ground was the property of one of the assailants?
No, my lord.
Now, can you all by yourself determine the intention of a person you are investigating? Can you determine the intention of a person under investigation in respect of a particular offense?
My lord, that is the work of the court. I don't determine.
It is the work of the court. Yes, my lord. We take it as an answer. Sir? Yes, my lord.
As an answer, but I would not take it as something to record.
My lord, I asked that question because during the course of investigation, there was a specific question put to the 26th accused relating to his intention. It is in the exhibit.
Yeah, you see, usually for the majority of the time, it is not the question that is the problem, but it's the framing of the question.
Yes, my lord.
So probably if you phrase it again,
but the witness does not have a problem with the framing of the question.
Sorry?
He doesn't have a problem with that. He has answered.
All right. Repeat your question.
All right. Now, As you please, my lord. As you please. As you please, my lord. Now, in fact, I will take you to this question. Go to page 5. Look at the first question on page 5. Wait. Yes. Can you please read the question out and the answer?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Page 5.
Yes.
First question.
Yes.
We are putting it to you that you had the intention to conceal the phone you found at POL. That was why you removed its SIM card and placed your own SIM card on it and started using it as your own personal property. What have you got to say? Answer: I did that because I wanted to communicate with my family.
Yes. So now I'll be correct to say the question of determining the intention of the 26th accused in relation to the question asked is one for the court and not you, correct?
But the question you asked was if I...
Yes, I'm asking you now, so just listen and answer the question.
Yes, my lord.
The bit of determining the intention of the 26th accused in relation to whatever you were investigating him is one for the court and not you, correct?
Yes, my lord.
Now, during the course of your investigation, did the 26th accused person bring to your attention any sickness that he's suffering from?
Not to my knowledge, I could not recall, my lord.
The 26th accused.
I can recognize the 26th accused person, my lord.
Now, is it true that during the course of obtaining statement from the 26th accused, he told you he was suffering from spiritual attacks? Is that so?
I could not recall, my lord.
Yes. Were you part of the team of investigators who went to search the 26 accused person's house?
No, my lord.
So now, with respect to his investigation, you only obtained exhibits ABB 1 to 6 from the 26th accused person.
You mean this one?
Yes, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Now, during the course of your investigation, did you have any cause to contact relatives or wife of the 26 accused?
No, my lord.
My lord, that will be all in respect of the 26. My lord, that is all.
Cross-examination. Any question from the president, board members? You don't. Yes.
May I ask for the list of the...
Yes. Yes. Release.
Lord, we have two more witnesses,
Yes. Let's go.
and please call out RSLAF 1817 799 Sergeant Usman